Two creative powerhouses, one showdown. ChatGPT versus MidJourney. Which one really delivers? On the left, ChatGPT, the versatile conversational AI image wizard. On the right, MidJourney, the artist's dream tool for stunning visuals. Let's skip the hype and see what actually matters. We'll hand out points in each category, so by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. And trust me, the result in 2025 might surprise you. Here's our game plan. Yep, a literal mind map of what we're comparing. So, we'll look at artistic quality, prompt accuracy, control and customization, text and technical accuracy, speed, interface and ease of use, pricing, photorealism, and multimodality and editing. Take a quick mental snapshot, because this is where the battle plays out. Let's kick things off with artistic quality, because, let's be real, who doesn't want their AI art looking like a masterpiece? ChatGPT is good, and it's definitely been improving. But if you're craving that rich, moody movie poster look, it just feels a bit tame sometimes. But oh, here's something cool. MidJourney. Wow, it's honestly on a whole different level. We're talking super vibrant, atmospheric, visually stunning scenes. Sometimes you're like, is this straight out of an art book? Now, occasionally MJ gets a bit carried away with the style, but for pure wow factor, it totally rules this round. Next up, prompt accuracy. So here's the thing. ChatGPT is kind of a stickler for following instructions. You want it to nail every detail and stick to your script, it's all over that. Sure, maybe it doesn't freestyle much, but you get exactly what you asked for. MidJourney? It's more like that friend who says, trust me, I have a vision. Sometimes it absolutely crushes it artistically, but other times those tiny details just vanish. So for accuracy and following directions, ChatGPT definitely wins here. Now, let's talk control and customization. Don't expect too much from ChatGPT's image tool. It's super straightforward, but honestly, kind of basic. You can't go deep into tweaking parameters or get lots of variations. Switching over to MidJourney, this is where it gets wild. You get an entire menu of controls: style, aspect ratio, seed, variations galore. It's powerful, but fair warning, the learning curve hits hard. Still, if you want serious creative control, MidJourney hands down owns this category. Quick fun fact, did you know that those jaw-dropping visuals MidJourney pumps out? They sometimes skip over those tiny details you asked for. ChatGPT's images are typically less flashy, but the specifics? It rarely misses a beat. Kinda wild how you have to pick between style and precision. Moving on, text and technical accuracy. I gotta say, ChatGPT is shockingly good here. If you need legible text, diagrams, infographics, all that nerdy stuff, it just nails it. Flawless, readable text every time. MidJourney? Yikes. A lot of the time, text turns into weird symbols and gibberish. So if technical images matter to you, ChatGPT is easily the winner. Let's hit speed now. ChatGPT's image tool, pretty fast. Most images show up in like 5 to 15 seconds. Not bad, right? But then you try MidJourney, and it's almost instant. 3 to 5 seconds. Boom. You barely have time to blink. For speed, MidJourney snags it. All right, let's talk interface and ease of use. ChatGPT makes it super easy. And actually, this is huge. You don't need to mess with Discord or type weird commands. It's chat-based, intuitive, exactly what you expect from, well, ChatGPT. Now, MidJourney, you got to do this whole Discord thing and learn commands, and honestly, if you're new, it's kind of intimidating. So, for user-friendliness, ChatGPT takes it. On to pricing. All right, so ChatGPT's Plus gives you unlimited images and all the chatbot features. That's $20 a month. There's even a free tier, which, not bad. Compare that with MidJourney's basic plan at $10 a month, but heads up, you're limited to 200 images. Unlimited images only kick in at higher plans, and the whole GPU time thing gets confusing real fast. There's no free plan, so for most folks, ChatGPT is better on price. Photorealism, anyone? ChatGPT, super accurate, natural-looking scenes, but sometimes the lighting could pop a little more. MidJourney cranks it up with dramatic lighting, pro-level textures, and honestly, the images just look next level. Occasionally, the faces can get weird though, but overall, MidJourney dominates here. Last category, multimodality and editing. You know what? ChatGPT is way more than image generation. It can actually edit your uploaded pics, and it's part of a whole suite of AI tools. So if you want to tweak stuff right inside the chat, it's awesome. MidJourney? Yeah, it's just about generating images, no in-place edits, no fancy bells and whistles. ChatGPT easily takes this round. Visually, you can see how each contender stacks up across all the categories. MidJourney is top for artistic flair, customization, speed, and realism, whereas ChatGPT truly shines with technical detail, prompt accuracy, and overall accessibility. Here's my honest take. If you want accurate, technical, text-laden images, or you just want something easy to use, ChatGPT is absolutely your go-to. But for pure artistic wow, deep customization, and mind-blowing visuals, assuming you don't mind a bit of a learning curve, MidJourney is the artist's dream. So pick based on your project type. If you found this comparison helpful, seriously, go try both. Play around, see what fits your creative workflow, and let your results speak for themselves.